16 Essential Paid SEO Tools that are worth the money. Discover 16 paid SEO tools that are worth the investment. Learn about key features, use cases, and tips to maximize their potential. SEO professionals know the value of investing in the right tools. While free SEO tools have their place, some paid options offer more features and deeper insights. This article examines 16 paid for SEO tools that we think you may find are worth the investment, depending on your needs. We'll highlight key features, discuss use cases, and offer tips to make the most of them. Our top 16 paid SEO tools. 1. SEMrush. SEMrush is an all-in-one SEO toolkit ideal for handling large amounts of data. In practice, we've used SEMrush for keyword research. The Keyword Magic tool helps surface long-tail phrases with lower competition. It also assists with competitor analysis, making it possible to reverse engineer top-ranking pages. SEMrush is a valuable tool for SEO professionals due to its comprehensive features and extensive data. Its keyword database is among the largest in the industry, providing users with a wealth of information for content and optimization strategies. One of SEMrush's key strengths lies in its competitive analysis capabilities. You access data on rivals' top-performing pages, target keywords, and backlink profiles. The platform's intuitive design ensures that even those new to SEO can navigate its various tools and features, making it accessible to professionals at different experience levels. Potential drawbacks: higher price point compared to other tools. It can be overwhelming for beginners due to the wealth of data and features. Tips and tricks: use the Keyword Magic tool's questions filter to find long-tail keyword opportunities. Set up weekly site audits to stay on top of technical SEO issues. Leverage the Backlink Gap tool to uncover link-building opportunities based on competitor analysis. Best hack: create a custom content template in SEMrush's content marketing toolkit. Enter your target keyword, and SEMrush will analyze top-ranking pages to provide recommendations. Price range: $139.95 to $499.95 per month. 2. Ahrefs. Ahrefs is known for its extensive backlink database, which is updated every 15 minutes. We find Ahrefs shines at link building and regularly use Site Explorer to analyze competitors' backlinks and identify new opportunities. We also appreciate the Link Intersect feature, which shows sites that link to multiple competitors but not to you yet. Ahrefs has established itself as a go-to SEO tool, renowned for its backlink database. This resource is considered one of the best in the industry. The platform's Site Explorer feature offers a comprehensive view of any website's SEO performance. This tool allows for in-depth analysis of various metrics, helping professionals understand both their sites and those of competitors.